We're going to do some for loop practice in My Projects. So to get there, you're going to go to the My Projects tab on the left, create a new project, and then you choose Python from the list on the left in blue. And we're going to do a blank Python project. So I would suggest renaming this so you can go back to it, but I'm going to call it for loop practice. And it always gives you this main program. We're just going to get rid of all the text that's in there. And now your main.py should have nothing in it. We're going to use the code that I used on this sheet from before and paste it in here so I don't have to keep retyping it. So let's talk about the for loop for a little bit. So this is a comment right here that just says this for loop prints from 0 to 9. So the for loop starts with the word for. That keyword is in purple, and anything that has to do with that for loop and some of the syntax is going to be in purple. So for I, this I right here is the variable that it's going to use to count how many times it goes through the loop. And this is how many times I want it to go through the loop. That would be the range part. So it's saying for I, which it starts at 0, in range 10. That means for, starting at 0, I want you to do whatever's in this loop 10 times. So right now it says print that I value 10 times. So the first time I go through this loop, that is going to be 0. The second time, it'll be 1 because it's the second time it's gone through the loop, it adds 1. It will add 1 again, and the loop will be 3. And it will continue to add 1 until it has gone through the loop 10 times. I can see it's gone through 10 times by counting the number of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can also think about this as it's always going to be 1 less than what number line you've actually printed because you start at 0. So if I've gone through my loop 3 times, the I value will be the number 2. If I've gone through it 4 times, the I value will be the number 3. So let's change this range. Let's do prints from 0 to 10. To get it to print that 10th number, so 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that's actually 11 numbers. So I'll change this to 11, and I will hit play. And now I will get the numbers 0 through 10, which is 11 numbers printed on the screen because 1 through 10 is 10, and that 0 is 11. If I wanted it to print the numbers 0 through 50, I would have to put in 51 and hit play. And here I can scroll through this. It does all numbers 0 through 50. If I wanted to do 0 through 99, I would say for I in range 100. And now it prints all the numbers 0 through 100. I can also have it print text. So I can have it print hello. And I'm going to do this 10 times. If I click play, there are 10 hellos. And that's the basic for loop.